What's the meaning of bandana? Bandana. Bandana.
Bandana. Bandana. A bandana is a type of printed handkerchief that is often worn as a fashion accessory or used for practical purposes. It originated in India and was adopted by Western adventurers and cowboys in the 19th century. The design typically features a colorful pattern printed on a square piece of fabric, with paisley being a popular choice. Bandanas can be worn in various ways, such as tied around the neck, head, or wrist, and are often associated with subcultures such as bikers and gang members. They can also be used as a face covering or to keep hair out of the face during physical activities.